Alright, so before we get into the trick, let's talk about HypeSquad real quick. So basically, it was a profile badge awarded after completing a 5-question quiz. Based on the answers, users were sorted into one of 3 HypeSquad houses: bravery, brilliance, or balance. And Discord's basically been phasing the whole thing out and you can't get these badges anymore. If you already have a house badge, you are good, but if you don't already have a badge, you might want to hurry up and grab one. Alright, once you're in Discord, the first step is opening up the developer tools. If you're on a browser, just press F12. If you're using the desktop app, press Ctrl, Shift, and I keys together. Once that's open, go to the console tab. This is where we're going to paste this code. You can get the code from the video description. Before you hit enter, you can actually choose which house badge you want. Just change this house ID in the code to 1 for bravery, 2 for brilliance, and 3 for balance. Then press enter. If you check your profile now, you'll see your new house badge. To show you that this is not temporary, let me refresh the Discord. Even after refreshing, the badge is still there. If you hit any bumps or have questions while doing this, drop them in the comments and I'll help you out.